Welcome, we are continuing in this lecture. After you add static body here, we will add another node as subnode. This node will be collision shape. So in a search box here, write collision and select CollisionShape2D. After that, just click on create. Now we have subnode of this static body node, collision shape. Go to inspector window, under the shape property, click on this drop down menu, and from this shape options we will select new rectangular shape 2D. Now we have new rectangular shape. When you use middle mouse button, wheel in a middle mouse button, you can zoom on a screen. Also, you can use this micro buttons for it. When you click on a middle mouse button and move it, you can move elements on a screen. And now, let's go back to our collision shape. Select collision shape. Click on select mode, and now with this red dots we can work on our shape. I'm clicking middle mouse button, move to better see this. With move mode we can move this object, and with rotate mode we can make some rotation. Collision shape also have transform mode, where we can rotation set to default values. Also this position can be set to default values, and we can work with a scale if we want. If you want to change extents manually, just click here on the shape and you will get extents, and you can change it manually as you like. Now we only need to check position of static body to be 0, collision shape, good select. Now we will just click here to make sure the object children are not selectable. With this, if we click on static body, we can move it with move mode on screen. Again, we will put position to initial. Thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, in the next lecture, we will continue.